Now this is what I was talking about. They're using a hose pipe to help them level. I haven't asked how it works because, well, I don't want to distract them while they are working, but I'll have it explained to me. Basically, the hose pipe has water in, and it helps show them the levels, if they're equal, if they're on the same level. So I don't know how it works. Good morning, guys. I'm at the site today and a little bit angry and mad and frustrated at the same time. You see, this is the work that's supposed to be going on. They have to start the foundation, but there's no water. We don't have water. Like, I'm so pissed right now. So the water people are saying that the pump is spoiled, which I don't understand, and my ever doubtful mind just thinks that it's not true. I feel like something fishy is going on, but it's okay. We don't have a choice. So mafundi wamekaa chini kwa sababu nothing can go on without water. There's literally no water. Oh, so the other option that we have is to like itisha maji na punda, which is going to be very expensive and costly on our side. Yeah, but I'm so angry right now. I feel like iyo maji imezimwa tu. That's how I feel. What are the odds? What are the odds? But it's okay. We will deal with what we have. It's just going to be like tumerudishwa nyuma one step. And I'm really pissed, and I know I'm ranting at you guys right now, but I have to rant somewhere. I really have to rant somewhere so that at least I feel at peace. It won't be 100% peace, but it will be peace somehow. So I have to go back to the house and let my hubby organize for the water, and then I'll come and show you if there's any work that will continue. So the water has been brought. We are using what is it called? Punda ni nini? A donkey. We are using a donkey. Is it donkey or donkey? Whatever your English teacher told you. We're using a donkey to bring water because, well, I had already explained the situation, but I'm so glad work has started. So let me just show you what's going on.